Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Skin Glow Loose Powder. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this Skin Glow Loose Powder, which has a gentle shimmer to it. You can pop this on the face as your face powder, you can use it as a bronzing agent, or you can pop it on your legs for a little bit of coverage. For Skin Glow Loose Powder, I will combine some zinc oxide, which is an opacifier that gives the powder its coverage. Some yellow, red and black iron oxides, which give the powder its colour. And some mica, which acts as a colourless filler, giving the powder its transparency. So obviously you can tweak the iron oxides to adjust the colour of your powder, and if you want more coverage then you can increase the zinc oxide, and if you want more translucency then you increase the mica. I'm going to grind these until they're a really fine powder and all the pigment sizes are small and homogeneous. So you can see how small those pigments are now, they're very fine. In a separate vessel I'll combine some mica. You can use talc if you prefer. The additional mica provides a slip of the powder so that it glides easily on the skin, along with some magnesium stearate, which acts as a binder, ensuring adherence of the powder to the skin so the powder simply doesn't fall off when applied to the skin. Now I'm going to combine the two phases while gently stirring continuously. Once the two phases are smooth and homogeneous, I'll start spraying on the lipid. So I've popped it into a spray bottle for easy dispersion. So I'll continuously stir as I spray on the lipid to ensure that there's no lumps forming in my powder. The lipid gives the powder its emolliency and skin conditioning properties so the powder doesn't feel dry on the skin. Once the powders and lipids is smooth, then I will add in the pigments to give a glow effect. I'm using a light gold sparkle at a very low input because I want to have a glow and not a sparkle on the skin. If you want more of a glow, then you can add in more of the pigment. Here is when you would conduct any colour checks and adjust if needed, before setting aside to let the powder settle. Once the product has settled, we can come back and we have this loose face powder with a gentle shimmer to it. It glides lovely and smoothly onto the skin. See? And that's how easy it is to make a Skin Glow Loose Powder. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!